Okay, so here's one more video about the lunar eclipse that happened today on January 31st, 2018. If you didn't watch the video about what the lunar eclipse looks like while standing on the moon, go back and watch that one first. But there's one more question we can ask about this. So now we've seen the eclipse from the point of view of the Earth. We've seen the eclipse from the point of view of the moon. What does the eclipse look like if you're standing on the sun? And of course, people can't stand on the sun, but we can pretend that we can because we have a simulator and we can stand anywhere. So here's what the eclipse looks like from Seattle right here it was at the height of the eclipse. So let me zoom out there. Okay, so that's what the moon looks like in the sky from Seattle. And here's the telescope view of the moon. Let's go back to just before the eclipse started. So we have to go back to about 3:30 in the morning before the eclipse started. There, okay, so now we're at 3:30 in the morning. Now, let's change our point of view. So we're going to zoom back out. We're going to go to a new location. We're going to go to the sun. Choose sun in this list. Sun. There. And of course the sun doesn't have grass growing on it, so let's change what the landscape looks like. And we don't have a sun landscape, but we do have this gas planet landscape, so I'm going to choose that one. This is sort of what it would look like if you were standing on the sun. There. Okay, so now we're on the surface of the sun. You can look around. Let's find Earth in the sky. Oh, that's wrong. Search. There. Find Earth. And we need to choose a different place to stand on the sun. Let's choose a place here in the middle. Stand on a different place. There. There's the Earth, okay, in the sky. And the moon is somewhere back there, sort of behind it, but we need to zoom in to see the moon better. Okay, there. So there's the Earth. We're now looking at the daytime side of Earth because we're on the sun. So the sun is shining on this side of Earth and the moon is back there. So the people who can see the lunar eclipse are on the other side of the Earth right now. So those people in Seattle are on the other side of the Earth. The sun's not shining on them right now. Okay, so this is right before the eclipse started, right? So we've got this alignment of the sun and the Earth in the middle and the moon on the other side. So guess what will happen when the eclipse is happening? What do you think? So now let's try it. Let's move time forward and we'll see what happens. And there's the moon going behind the Earth. So at the height of the eclipse, right, now we're standing on the sun is shining on the Earth is making a shadow, the shadow is going behind the Earth, and now the moon is in that shadow. And we'll accelerate time again, and after a while, the moon comes out from behind the Earth, and that's the end of the eclipse. So this is a different kind of lunar eclipse where the moon goes behind the Earth. And this is what it would look like if you were standing on the surface of the sun, which no one will ever get to do. All right, thanks for watching.